Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, it's really not much to add to the analysis that we have prepared yesterday. So that was really tough week for the gold, and the market was really crushed by the recent statement on the FOMC. I mean the FOMC minutes, the good numbers on the real estate market in the United States, and today it also could be heard by the Yellen speech, the Wyoming. So in fact, in the long-term perspective, it's not time to take any positions, because now the destiny of the gold market will be decided, since market right now stands at the point that could estimate and could be the drastic point for the further action on the gold market. Because if market will hold there around 1270 area, as we have said yesterday, it really could keep chance on the possible rebound and the forming of this reverse head and shoulders pattern. Because right now is nothing drastic, nothing really awful has happened. What we have thrust up, ABC retracement, some sort of the guard is triple to buy until market stands here. That's also, guys, by the way, the target of the initial ABC top pattern, as we have discussed previously. Right? Market right now stands here. But if market will fail to hold here and turn to the downside, this really easily could lead market right to the bottom of the head. Because when the market fails to show the reverse head and shoulders pattern and fails at the shoulder, the next logical destination is the head. It's bottom of the head. It's 1240. Also, guys, that will be the 1618 extension of the same ABC top pattern. So will be most probable that will be the next destination if market will fail right now around 1270. That's why until until we will get this clarity, what will happen right here, it's better to trade market tactically. So drop your time frame charts, look for the 4-hour time frame chart, hourly chart. If there will be any short-term setups that could let you to trade inside of the day or maximum within the couple of sessions, take first profit, take the first position, and just wait for the next chance. Do not marry any position right now, because this is really not safe, especially if you will get the wrong direction. Meantime, since today we stand at the eve of the Yellen speech, and this really was huge plunge down on the gold market, some profit taking could happen. Investors could turn to the closing of the position. As an example of this possible tactical trade, you could take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see a nice thrust down, and that could be the setup for the Jordan upward directional pattern. That could be either double repo buy that could trigger the retracement to the 1290 confidence resistance and close and taking some profit, and reducing the risk before the Yellen speech. Or that could be the bread and butter sell. For example, if market will reach first resistance, or maybe even this resistance within the 3 close, about the 3x3, that could be the double bread and butter sell. You can take the scalp short position here, but that's mostly tactical issues, and they can't impact on the higher time frame charts, and they, in fact, such sort of trades have small relation to the strategical picture on the gold market, and the strategical picture still remains not very positive. So as recent data suggests that the demand on the physical demand on the market is still very poor, despite that the market should turn to the seasonal bullish trend soon. And as you can see, the stronger dollar and the positive data and the possible rate hiking also are pressing on the markets because they reduce the chances on the inflation. And the driving factor for the gold mostly is inflation. And that's really will be the difficult times for the gold. But let's see what will really happen. Because we haven't got the easy setup. We haven't got the easy development. So of course it's will be just perfect on the market. It turns to the upside, shows the upward continuation right up, and just this could be just perfect. Okay, it's an easy setup, but gold market is really tough market. It stands among the most difficult market for trading, and it's very rare market. This gold market shows this easy setups. That's why we should be very careful. And currently I do not see any reasons for panic, because currently it's not clear yet what will really happen. Because as we said on the previous week in the weekly research, that it's really some contradiction between the technical picture, positive fundamental data on United States, pictures on possible rate hiking, and CFTC data that shows the increasing in the net long positions on the gold market. Some SARS have started to buy gold mining stocks. SPDR fund is showing some small but inflows. So that something is happening around it. So something's going on here, and maybe in reality it doesn't stand as it seems on the first glance. It seems on the picture. So this is short-term plunges down. It's really seems awful at the first glance, that really market could show move lower and just turn to the downward continuation and so on. But taking a look at the broader picture, we still have this pattern. This could appear. We have this some sort of the triple two buy pattern. It's really still, and it hasn't been erased yet. So it's really still could work. That's why I think that, as you can see, this is a bit tricky situation on the strategical point of view, and that's why I think that we should wait a bit. And until we were waiting, we could trade tactical issues, small setups that market could form on intraday charts, as we did in the beginning of the year. If you remember, we trade a lot of different small ABCDs on intraday charts, butterflies, and some small setups. And we didn't touch the higher time frames pictures on the gold market when it was unclear. And so the same we could do right now. Or simple solution is just shift to some another asset to trade, maybe some forex currency pairs, maybe stocks or some other asset. That's also the solution for the current situation. But in the weekend, we will take a look again at the broader picture on the gold market, take a look at the CFTC data, we'll take a look at the recent news and comments, maybe we'll find some rumors or something of that sort, and trying to come to some conclusion concerning the nearest perspective of the gold market.